Oxtail soup is rare these days, and I don't know why, but this classic recipe has won over hundreds of thousands of cooks. Season up 3 pounds of oxtails and then sear them in 2 batches in a bit of oil. Sauté 2 onions and 2 ribs of celery until soft. The moisture they release can help get the brown bits off the bottom of the pot. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons each of tomato paste and Worcestershire sauce. Stir that in. Then 1/3 cup of dry sherry is optional, but is traditional. Put the browned oxtails along with any juices from the plate back in there, along with a teaspoon of dry thyme or a big sprig of fresh. Add a bay leaf and 6 cups of beef broth. Bring to a simmer and then reduce to low. Cover and cook for 2.5 hours, stirring occasionally. A lot of fat comes out of the oxtails, so you can skim some of that off now. Then add in a pound of carrots in 1/2 inch pieces and 3 large russet potatoes in 1-inch cubes. It's a good time to taste and add some salt. Cover and continue to cook until the carrots and potatoes are fork tender, another 30 minutes. To serve, ladle the tail segments into bowls and top with the broth and veggies. I like this best on the second day when it tastes even better and the fat has solidified on top and is easy to remove, but it's hard to wait that long. Get more taste-easy recipes at cookthestory.com.